Kumbaga, nagsimula kami sa isang grupo, sa isang ministry na which is kumbaga same yung aming hilig. And then kumbaga nakitaan mo talaga ng isang layunin.
My feeling for now ay excited kasi ay makasama ko na ang matagal ko ng pinapangarap. So I'm so much excited and most of all, mas excited ako sa honeymoon.
Haharapin natin lahat yon ng sabay sa bawat hirap, sa bawat pagod at sa bawat luha. Sigurado akong magiging mas matibay tayo dahil tayo ay magkasama.
With the help of our friends and family, thank you so much. Mas smooth siya, especially my wife, Diana. Thank you so much for your support. Love you, darling.
Are my only one, you have all my heart. Through the sunshine, through the rain, you and I will never fade, 'cause you.
Sa panahon na kayo ay basbasan mamaya, at ideklara na kayo ay mag-asawa na, tatandaan ninyo, Dayan at saka Marlon, na kayo ay iisang laman. Meaning, your desire must also be the desire of Dayan, and Dayan's desire must also be your desire.
We've been down.
Hindi lang ikaw ang maganda.
Ay, gusto na nito mag-asawa. Sunod na ulit. The next bride. This one, sa nag-iisang sexy and pretty maid of honor. Pretty! Pretty! Matuwa kayo kasi. Pero wala na ako pa. Ay, ang dami!
Charlon, pinakagwapo na pastor sa Imos. Lester, taga Eastern.
Am I only one? Through the sunshine, through the rain, you and I will never fade, 'cause you are my only one.
Yan, hello darling. This is the day. Nawa, maging masaya ka sa araw na ito. See you later.
Soaking up the heat in the summer haze, sipping on the good life every day. Slowing down time with you by my side, nowhere to be, everything's so right. This life is more than we could dream. So alive, take it in, just breathe. So here's to the good times.
Lahat ng aspeto ng buhay natin, ipagpapasalamat ko kasi ikaw ang kasama ko. Thank you for choosing me, for trusting me, and for showing me every day how wonderful it is to love and be loved. I love you now and forever.
Here's to the good times. Let's get wild.
Kapag malungkot ka, yayakapin kita. At kapag napapagod ka, ipapaalala ko sa'yo na hindi ka kailanman nag-iisa.
Cheers to the good life.
I promise na magiging matyaga ako kahit mainit ang ulo. At pangako kong palagi kitang uunahin dahil ikaw ang tahanan ng puso ko. I love you, darling. Habang buhay kong ipagpasalamat sa Diyos na ikaw ang ibinigay niya sa buhay ko. Ang makasama ko ngayon, bukas, and until Jesus comes.
Here's to the good times.